Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. J's Grade Passing Challenge, or Passing Grade Challenge, however you want to call it. Listen, right now, about 63% of you are passing my class. That's good, but it could be so much better. So I have a challenge for you. Here's the deal. If 90% of you start passing my class by the 30th of March, and that gives you guys almost 6 weeks, Mr. J will completely shave. All this gone. And I will let it grow until then. Will not shave before that. So who knows what this thing's going to look like. Now here's the deal. I will not keep it shaved. My wife's already let me know that that's not going to be an option. In fact, she's not overly happy I'm making this promise to you. But so be it. Right now, I need 90% of all my students, both honors, regulars, and special education, to get a passing grade. Now here's the deal. I'll have my one-on-one sessions. I'll have my help sessions. I will help. And I'm not going to purposely downgrade people because the better my grades are, the better I look to corporate. So here's the deal. Give me the effort. Make an effort. Try. And you'll see me back when I look like I'm going to feel like I'm going to look like I'm a 6-year-old with a clean shaven face. Now here's the other deal. I'm not promising to keep it clean shaven. It will be a one-time shave. And I'll tell you this, if I get 100%, if 100% of my students are passing, which is a 60 or higher, everything goes. I'll even shave this. Now, that's something my wife doesn't know about, so she'll scream. But I need 100% of you for the head. 90% of you, and the beard goes. That's Mr. J's Beard and Head Shave Challenge. By the 30th of March, you have to get a passing grade 60 or higher in my course. 90% in the beard goes. 100% in the head goes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start posting videos every other week telling you what the scores are, how the passing rate is increased or decreased. So, not the next week. Next week's Mardi Gras. But here's the deal. You start passing my class, start doing the work, and we will see all of this go. If the 30th comes and I've only got 89% passing, well, I get to keep the beard. And this is Mr. J's promise to you. I challenge you to start passing my course. All right, guys, enjoy your break, and I will talk to you soon.